Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change settings in Notepad++. First, open Notepad++ on your computer. Now, look at the top menu and click Settings. From the menu, select Preferences. A new Preferences window will open. Here you can find different settings for Notepad++. On the left side, you can see different sections such as General, Editing, Dark Mode, Margins and Border, Auto-completion, and Backup. You can select any section to view its available options. For example, you can go to the Editing section and change some editor options. You can also check auto-completion to control how suggestions appear while typing. If you want to change the appearance of Notepad++, you can check the available appearance or theme options. After making your changes, click Close to return to the main Notepad++ window. If you don't want to change anything, simply close the Preferences window without making changes. And that's how you can access and change Notepad++ settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tutorials.